something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn. This is Life with Jocelyn Christina. I'm so happy for you all to be with me today so that we can do the next house update. Today is Friday 9th and today is an awesome day. We have a lot more updates on the home and I'm so excited to show you what everything is looking like now. I also wanted to let you know that this will be the last home update before I close. The next video related to my new home will be on July 30th, which will be my closing date. And I will make sure to record that and share with you my whole closing process, as well as, me going into my new home and everything. And I will make sure to upload that video on Sunday, August the 1st. Also, I want to let you know, I did have some questions in the comments in the last video, and I wanted to make sure that hopefully I can address those in this video for you all. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around and show you what we have now. I turn the camera around and I just wanna show you what we have now. So if we look, we have all the sod has been completed in the front yard, the grass has been done, and we have some beautiful green plants that have been planted out in the front of the home. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Over here, we can see there's a beautiful little bush that has been planted there. And right now they're just watering the lawn with the sprinkler. Also wanting to let you know that as far as the sprinklers, I was just told that these are just borrowed right now by the builder, but it will be my responsibility to make sure that I purchase my own sprinkler systems, which I did not know. So if anybody, is wanting to know about that, hopefully that's a helpful piece of information there. Let's go ahead and go inside. Actually, let's go in the garage because I did have someone post a question asking if there were outlets in the garage. So I do want to let you know that there are 2 outlets in the garage. So there's one right here and there's also another one over here. Let me just back up a little bit so that you guys can see the entire garage. So as we can see, the whole interior of the garage is finished. And like I said, we have these 2 outlets here in the garage, and then the light switches are over there on the wall. And then there is above in the ceiling of the garage, we do have 2 lights up here in the garage. Okay, so hopefully that helps anyone who was wondering if there are any outlets in the garage. So I'm gonna actually go through the front door. And as we can see, before we go into the front door, this is so awesome. So the front door has been painted, and this is the color of my front door, which I just think is absolutely gorgeous. It kind of looks like a deep purple color. It's just very pretty. It stands out and it looks great with the bronze hardware on the front door. So just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and I'm gonna take my shoes off. All right, so we are inside now and I just wanna show you what all they have done on the inside. So if we look here on the inside, we can see that they've taken off the protective covering that was covering these glass doors. So now you can see the beautiful French doors that go into the office. Look absolutely gorgeous. And as far as the inside of the office, everything still looks the same here. All of the covering that was over the carpet and the flooring has been taken off. So now you can see the beautiful flooring all over the floor. Everything looks good. And it looks like they're still just touching up the walls in here. And then we're actually gonna take a walk upstairs. Before we go upstairs, I want to show you the beautiful flooring. So as you can see, we have all of the flooring done on the steps in this beautiful dark brown color. Looks absolutely gorgeous. The railings have been painted. Looks beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and go all the way upstairs to the second floor, and hopefully you can get a good look at this beautiful flooring. Absolutely love it. So we're going upstairs, and looks like everything's still the same in all the bedrooms. Looks like everything's just being touched up with the paint still. So everything still looks so good. And the laundry room, everything looks really good. And the master looks so beautiful in here. And let's go in the master bathroom. So they've been cleaning everything. As we can see, the tub has been cleaned. It looks so beautiful. I'm so ready to move in. Everything looks so good. And they've been cleaning up with the sink and the bathroom. Everything just looks really good. And now we can see all the beautiful tiled flooring. Looks absolutely gorgeous. And then the toilet, they cleaned the shower, it looks like. So looks nice and clean. Just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna go back out, and we're gonna head back out. Now glance at the master closet. So it looks like they're just touching up the paint in the master closet as well. But everything looks really good in here. And we're going around to the fourth bedroom, and let's just peek into the bathroom. So everything looks pretty good in here. And like I said, I know there are a lot of questions about outlets. In this full bathroom, there's an outlet here, and there's an outlet here. And I'm just looking to see if there are any other outlets. I think that's it. So just those two outlets in this half bath. And then in the hallway, there's an outlet right here. And then in the fourth bedroom, so in every room, there are outlets about 6 feet apart. So one here, one here, one here, one here, and then again, one right there. So I'm just gonna stand out so you can see the whole bedroom. So like I said, every bedroom has outlets all over the room, about 6 feet apart, which is awesome. So let's take a run downstairs into the basement. And again, I just love these beautiful hardwood floors. They came out great. They look absolutely amazing. I love the color. So we're gonna go downstairs into the basement and take a look and see. So the basement stairs are carpeted. So, but they have also done and painted all of the railings here in the basement area, which look absolutely gorgeous. Everything looks so good. So we're walking down into the basement, and I also had a question. Someone asked about this unfinished space, if there were outlets in here. So let's go ahead and go into this unfinished space. So this is not included as part of my square footage, this unfinished space here in the basement. I do plan to finish this space and make it into like a home gym or maybe a mini movie room or something. It's a lot of space to work with, but there is a light switch in here, and I'm just looking to see if there are any outlets in here. We have a light up here in the ceiling. So there is an outlet down here as well. As we can see, there's one outlet here. And I'm just looking around to see there's actually another outlet right here in this unfinished space. And I'm just looking to see if there are any other outlets in here. So it looks like it's just those two outlets in this unfinished space. So like I said, one right here, and there's one outlet right here. Okay, But this is what that unfinished space looks like. And the project manager is going to go over all of this with me during my home orientation. So we have, all of the lots of systems here that's going to be explained to me. Of course, this is the circuit breaker box, right? I think that's what this is called. So all of this is going to be gone over with me during the home orientation. And then if we come over to the other side of this unfinished space, there is an outlet right here. And I'm just looking to see if there's any other outlets. There is actually an outlet up here. So just looking. So I think those are the only other two outlets on this side of this unfinished space. All right, so let's go back out of that unfinished space and we're gonna look into the basement. So as we can see, as we're looking into the basement, we can see that everything is just being touched up. Everything looks really good. And they're just, like I said, still touching up the drywall, lots of sanding being done. And then we'll go into this bathroom and everything is looking good. Looks like they're just cleaning everything up in each bathroom. There is an outlet right here on the wall in this full bathroom in the basement, which looks really good. Okay, so, and just a beautiful basement space. All right, let's go back up to the main level. Oh, and then in the basement, as far as outlets, there's one here. And then, like I said, every 6 feet apart, there is an outlet there. There's one there. And then if you can see, there's outlet here. There's one right there. And then there's an outlet right here. And then over here, there's an outlet. There's another outlet. And then there's another outlet right there. Okay, so those are the outlets available in the basement. So we're gonna go back upstairs to the main level. We're gonna look at the kitchen and see what has been updated in the kitchen. All right, so now we're back upstairs on the main level. And then if we look at my beautiful kitchen, we can see that they've just been cleaning everything up. So everything is looking really good. All of that protective covering that was on the countertops has been removed. So everything just looks really good. And now we can see the beautiful flooring everywhere. All of the protective covering has been taken up off of the floor. So everything's just looking fabulous. And let's look at the outlets in the kitchen. So right here where the stove is, we have an outlet here. There's an outlet right there. There's one over here. And there's an outlet here around the island. And there's an outlet here as well in front of the island. And there's actually a big outlet right here on the other side of the island. In the dining space, there is an outlet here, here, and here. And then in the living room space, so this is my living room on the main level, there's an outlet right here, and there's an outlet here, 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 and then one there. And then of course I added an outlet up here for the TV as well. And then this switch is to the fireplace to turn the fireplace on. So, okay, so let's go back here behind the kitchen, and everything still looks the same back here. You've all seen this area behind the kitchen already, and if you haven't, you can watch my other YouTube videos if you want to see more in depth of the area behind the kitchen, the pantry and everything. But there's an outlet right here behind the kitchen, and then in this half bathroom there is an outlet right here in the half bath. So yeah, everything still looks really good. Everything is just being touched up but everything looks really great. And then I'll show you my backyard. All right, so I just want to show you the backyard. So I just talked to the project manager, and he told me that my backyard actually extends further past this line right here. So it actually goes back a bit further back there. And he said they did seed the backyard everywhere, and then they're gonna turn those sprinkler systems on to help the grass grow in the backyard. So that's gonna be pretty awesome to see. Hopefully the grass will grow successfully in the backyard. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it with everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around. That's pretty much everything. So like I said, I wanted to make sure I showed you where the outlets were in the garage and in that unfinished space, and then just give you a general idea of where there are outlets throughout the entire home. So there are outlets just absolutely everywhere, like I said, about 6 feet apart. There are outlets. Also, I had another question. Someone asked me about the size of the island in the kitchen. So I just wanted to let you know the size of the island. It is 123 inches in length, and it is 44 inches in width. Pretty much it for this week's update. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, I wanted to let you know that I will still be posting weekly videos on the next upcoming Sunday and the next Sunday until closing, but they just will not be house updates. They'll be posting other videos, some more shopping, looking at more furniture and other things. So, all right, well, I will see you all next Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, see you later.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know.